So, did you try yesterday's assignment? So, any doubt? It's working fine, correct? Great. Now, today we'll see how to automate the static drop down and checkboxes in edit button. Okay. Yeah. So, let me share my screen. Okay. So, if you see here, this from and to is dynamic drop down and rest is static drop adult economy and this one. So what I'll do, I'll try to automate this concession type. Okay, and you guys try to automate this adult one and economy one. So first we'll see how to automate this one. So I'll create one file here by the name of static dropdown. Use camel case if possible. Okay, start in it's under served. I don't want this under support. That should be under E2E. Static dropdown. Am I audible? Hello? Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take this one. This one is Facebook. No, I don't want Facebook. I can use this one. Yeah, Air India. Yeah, I want this one. I'll just copy this one which we needed till here. Now static drop. Yeah. So to verify static drop down instead of dynamic, I'll change the name of this test case. Not open Air India. Save all. Hide this. Now open the static test runner. npx Cypress open. Static drop down. Okay, first I need to open this one. In this case, what happened? We are passing some string in dynamic dropdown, correct? Which we have seen in the last lecture. But in this case, there is no need to pass any string here. Directly we need to just first click this. Once this page get open, then we have to automate. Okay, so I'll just open in another browser here. Now I want to click this one. Okay, so right click here, go to inspect, and find out the locator for this static dropdown. Okay, so click this arrow. Now go to this. Yeah, you can see there is one class here, arrow wrapper. Take this class, check it out, this work is unique or not. Yeah, this one is unique, but it's little bit lengthy. So what I'll do, I'll remove some part and check it out, this unique or not. Yeah, no, it's not unique. If you remove any parts, so let it be. Okay, now this one is, no, this one is unique. Okay, but when you are using in Cypress as a locator, you need to first put dot and check it out whether there is any spaces is there or not, because it's a class. We don't want spaces. So yes, here we can find space, so remove the space. So once you remove the space, just put dot here. Okay, now you can see here this one got selected now, and check it out, this unique or not. Yes, it's 1 of 1. Take this, go to your port now, and just type here cy.get double quote, right on this one, and right on a click. Now save it and check it out. Okay, now if you see carefully, you will get one error here. Fix this problem, because what happened, this is telling this is being covered by another element. So in this case, if this passage is giving you and telling to use force true, so you can use force true here. So just write on force true, save it. Now if you see carefully, see, and again I'll turn. Can you see this? It's getting clicked here. Armed forces, bravery. Can you see? Yeah. So what I'll do now? Now this one, yeah. So this one got clicked now, and this window got opened. Now I want the parent locator for this window. Once I got the parent locator, then only I can have this child locator. So first find out the locator for this checklist box. So this is a simple trick. Right click on any element, go to inspect. Yeah, this one is selected armed forces. Now to get the parent locator, just go up. See, none got selected now, but we want whole text search, like element box, or you can say suggestion box, get selected. Yeah, can you see? This is the class. Yes. This is the class in which you can see list box. This is a list box, and this was a class, and this was ID for this list box. So what I'll do, I'll select this ID and check it out whether this list box ID is unique or not. This is ID. So when you are using ID, you have to put hash. Yes, it's unique. Now select this one, go to your VS Code and just write on here cy.get. This one is your parent. Look at that. Now inside the parent you can find this child one also, like locator. So like any locator, click, go to right click here. Now see carefully this mat option text. Can you see this one? So this one is the parent child locator to that list box. Copy this one and paste it here. You can find 10 locator child locator for this one. It means that if you see carefully, bravery award one parameter, in this way we have 10 elements. Okay, so take this one and just here I don't find, as we did in the last lecture for a dynamic dropdown, find just okay. Now you can also use now each iterator. Okay, so for each iterator you can also write like this, dot each. Inside this just write on el element. No need to write index and list, as there's no need of that parameters, only write on element. Now what I'll do, I'll just check it out what is there inside el. Write on cy.log. In that write on el.text. Check it out, you're printing what is there inside this el. Okay, you're converting into text to check it out. Okay, so I'm just saving it, now running it and see what result I'm getting now. See, if you see here in the log, I can see none here. Can you see? Yeah, so what I'll do here, each iterator, it's showing me el.text none. It means that whatever inside this mat option is not getting displayed in this. So what I'll do in that case, log is there, so I can use directly like this. If I don't use text here, check it out now, the result what I'm getting here. See, can you see all the locators, child locators I'm getting displayed here? Can you see? Span mat option text. This one is I'm getting here. Now what I'll do, in that case, suppose if I take one variable like constant a equal to el dot text, convert to element and just see now what the result is. Okay, again I'm getting none here. So what I'll do in that case, in this case I did not get that element, which I want. So I'll just go here and again I'll check it out the right locator for this one. This one is massive. Okay, see, can you see this one is span is there, and this was mat option. Okay, now what I'll do, instead of this no span, if I'm using span, so I'm not getting actual result, when I converting into text. So what I'll do, either I'll take this class, this mat option class, because this span is inside this mat, correct? See, if I close, you can see here. So either I can use this class or id. So I'll take this id now, but this id is not common to all, correct? Is mat option 8, mat option 9. We want some common locator so that we can use in each iterator to fix that one. So what I'll do, I'll use this one, this class I'll use, or else I'll also use tag name, mat option, and rule is attribute and option is value. But before that I can use this class. Now check it out, it's unique or not. We don't want unique except now, we want actually uh, remove the spaces by putting dot. Okay, now I'll take this one, 8. I'm getting this. Now in this find, instead of this just put save it and run it. Notice what is saying, timeout, but never found it. I'll just close this one, close this one, close this one. So this is the option inside this list box. So this is not working. So what I'll do, I'll just click this mat option till here, no? Mat option, on, and what is this? Role equal to option. Use single quote around the value option 9. This will dot, remove this dot, One, two, three. Check it out. What is this? War Disable Officer, Air India, Bravery Award. Let me check it out this one. No, again I can see none here. Can you see? So in this case, I'm not getting actually the result which I want. So this one is my, it's clicking that window list box. So this one is my parent one, constituent type panel. Inside this we have this. Let me check once again. It is correct or not. Parent child relation is there or not. This contain, this is there inside. Close this one. Just close it. Close this one also. Okay, now this one is the class constituent type panel. Okay, if suppose if I close this one, see what happen. Yeah, the relation is correct. Mad option 0. Now what I'll do, div role list box. Div role list box. What I'll do now? Get div role equal to single quote list box. Dot find. Now let me check. First check it out. It is unique or not. Div role checkbox. Copy this one and paste it there. Yeah, this one is unique. List box. Okay, so this one is unique. Now check it out whether it's working or not. Yeah, can you see? Now in the log I get all the values which I want. See, armed forces, bravery awardee, paramilitary forces, reserve engineer student, senior citizen, warrant. Got it? Now, when you are automating, na, so it's very necessary to check it out whether you are selecting the right locator or not. Sometimes what happen, you can see this parent one, but it's not working. So that's the reason you are checking in the log, you know. So whatever grabbing is correct or not. Now what I'll do, I want the student one. So again use if condition. If your a dot includes, you can also use includes here. Includes student. Check it out whether student is capital or not. Yeah, S is capital here. That should be matched. So that one is student. Can you just put your mic on mute? Yeah, student. Now again same method. Wrap el dot click. If you want, you can just put quotes to also if you want. You now run it and check it out whether the student gets selected or not. Select or check it out. I hope you're getting what I am teaching you right now. Yeah. Now see what happened here. Like student gets selected or not. No, not yet. Correct. If I remove this one, nothing is there. Correct. Yeah. So what happened if suppose A contains students now? So students, what happened now? I'm getting all the values or not? Student is there, but it is not clicking. Student is there. We're clicking that. Now what I'll do, instead of includes, if I write okay, student. Now see what happened. Save it. Again the same reason. Student is not getting clicked here. So what I'll do, I'll just go and check it out here whether the spelling is correct or not of student. Just close this one, open this and check it out here. What is there? Student is there, but here is S is capital. So check it out. What is there in the DOM? S capital, correct. It is there. So what happened to our code? Spelling is correct. student. Hello. Yeah, yeah, actually both are same. There's no difference between whatever you are adding on top, it will display in the list also. So I just cross checking whether what happened. Even though in the log we are getting all the values, but it's not picking the correct one. So instead of student, if I take another one, senior citizen, if I take, it is not picking the correct one. What is the root cause? Because in the log we can see none is there get displayed. Can you see here carefully? Sometime the value getting displayed, sometime not. Can you see left hand side? If you see carefully, there is no values in the log. Only none getting displayed. Can you see? Yeah. So what happened? In Cypress when we automate, so we get flaky test cases. You know, flaky. Flaky means sometime the test get passed, sometime the test get failed. So without changing on the code, the test case get failed, and sometimes it get passed. So that's called flaky test cases. So if you see carefully, sometimes the log getting displayed with all the values. Sometimes the are not getting displayed here. Correct? So what I'm yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just share this code to you, and you try at your end. Let me know what you guys getting on your screen. Okay. So I'm sharing this to you. First, I share this one describe block. Then I'm sending you it block till defined. Now each block with last braces. Now try at your end, copy and paste it at your end. Let me share to you. Now you try and yes, yes, Gopi, tell me. Yeah, it's work. Oh, okay, okay. Senior citizen. Okay, so I think there is problem at my end. Okay, can you check it out with the student? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So it's problem at my end actually. No, it's not software issue. It's an application issue because the same code I'm running, correct, at my end. Yeah, you can just put a dot includes, a dot includes. That should be in the bracket. Yeah. हेलो
सर सर ये भी सुन रहे थे
ट्रेनिंग में कॉल करता
भैया वो बोर वाले का पूछ रहा था बोर वाले कॉल करने का है क्या
करो 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 यस यस टेल मी या करेक्ट okay so let me share my screen to you great so yeah so let me share my screen okay mm-hmm. Okay, you using index, correct? Okay, okay, okay. So it's working fine, correct? Gopi? Okay, okay, great. Yeah. You can run in many ways. The basic one is to find out the locators. Yeah. And what about you, Femina? Did you complete the test case assignment? Yesterday I have given to you, na, that's Gopi showcase. Yeah, did you then? So you have any doubt? Okay, so yeah. Yeah, oh, sure. Let me share my screen. So Gopi and Vimna, if you see na carefully, at my end also is working fine. Can you see the serious reason? So what I have done, I just remove the gap here. Right? Before it was like this. So what I did, I just give the space and run it. So see if here. Now check it out. See. So what happened? Just now it was working fine. Now it's not picking. I don't know what's the reason. Senior, I've just put a gap here. Even though I save it, not yet picked. Correct. So sometime it's picking, sometime not. Okay, let it be. So at your end it's working fine, so code is correct. Okay, now your question, Family, that you want some basic on, like, you want some light on this, get and find. So correct? How we set? Yeah, it's very easy. First you need to see, suppose I'm just again, I'll show you. See, Again, suppose if you want to select this study drop down, so first you need to select this locator, which we already selected here. If you see carefully, this one, this one is, we're clicking that study drop down. Without using this one, our list box is not getting displayed here. So we need to click this one. Once we click, we get this list box here. Can you see? So now I want to select this anyone from this one, student, senior citizen, war widow, etc. Anyone from this. So how could I select one? You can select two ways. Like first click this one, or directly you can, without using each iterator, you can just directly have this ID, select it. Simple way. Like no need to have each iterator, no need to use find, only use, like suppose if I take you in another way, I'll just give this comment. I don't want this parent and child relation. I'll just give comment to this all. Now what I'll do, I'll just click this one. Now I want this bravery. Okay, so right click here, go to bravery awardee. Now check it out the locator for this one. So bravery awardee, I am getting this locator. Yeah, this 6th number is for this bravery. Check it out. This ID, this one is unique or not. Yeah, this one is, copy this. So you just go there and write on here cy.get. And this is a simple method. Oh? I'm not using here a parent, child, or each iterator or if condition. Directly I'm choosing any one from this list. Okay, so click here and check it out now. Now run it. See, everybody gets selected here. Can you see? Yeah. So what happened? In this case, it's a hard-coded one now. I'm choosing only one. If I want to choose second one, then I have to change this locator here. But in this case, I'm just putting here this list, correct? Or I can also use this one by using fixture. I'll put all the elements in the fixture and I select this one. Only putting the fixture values here. 1, 2, 3 like this. So that's fixture value. I'll give you assignment. No need to take hard. This one is hard coded. So senior citizen, bravery awardee, student, you should keep in fixture and try to compare this here. Okay. So basically you can do like this also. Now your question is how to get using get and find, correct? Pavina? Yeah, so in this case here, what happened? No need to select this one ID and all. You just select the parent ID for this all this student, bravery awardee, war widow. Okay, the parent locator. So parent locator means what? You need to select the locator for list box, because under this list box you have all the elements. So you first select the list box. So if you see carefully, this mat option is under list box. So go up, you can see the list box here. Can you see? So this one is the locator for list box. Select this one and put in the get. So I already selected in the get. I put it in this. Okay, now this one is not. Okay, you can remove this one. Yeah, this one is get. I got. Now inside this child sorry box parent locator having many children's, like child locators you can say here. So that child locators to get selected through this list box, we need find here. So what happened? Find always followed by get. So this one is parent, this one is child located. So this one is not unique. As you can see, it's almost showing 8 to 9 elements we have. So you use each iterator to iterate each one. Okay. So this EL contain all the elements. Now out of all, you want to select anyone like senior citizen. You just use the if condition and use it. So the basic idea of this get and find is get is the parent one and Inside the find one is the child one locator. Clear? Or still you have doubt, Femina? Okay, you just do one thing, just do practice, so you'll get idea how to find locators, child locators, parent locators. Okay, also use fixture. So whatever you have done now till now, you do practice. Otherwise, you will forget each and everything. Because Cypress, when you're learning now, be in touch with them like after this class also. Okay. So guys, today what you will do? What is your assignment you want? You do the same thing, static drop down. Okay, but in case of use fixture also, without use the hard coded one, use the fixture also. Can you do that one? Calendar is also the same thing. Same thing. Yeah, yeah. You can also do the assignment for calendar also, like like if you see calendar here, this one is calendar, correct? First, select. So we have, when clicking we have this list box, correct? So when you're clicking this one, first click this one, you will get one locator to clicking this one. So once you click, you will get this box. So as compared to list box, this is a list box for calendar. For instance, for example, so this was the second. Let's see where to get. Inside this, you will get these elements. You select anyone from this one. Okay. So this one static drop down and this calendar is the same. The difference is only like it has list box. It has like this. It has only 9 to 10 elements, and it has total 31 plus 30, total 61 elements. Okay, and also you can check it out whether this disable element gets selected or not, like first date, second date is gone now. So check it out whether this one gets selected or not. Try this one also scenario at your end and let me know tomorrow then. Yeah, disable number. Yeah, what happened if you select disable number? What happened if you select the current value? What happened if you select the future one? Okay, even though you can just click this one also, this this arrow, and you can check it out whether you can select this October September list or not. Again, you can come back to original, select this one, so you can play with them. The basic thing idea is like finding the locators. Once you get the locators, once you know how to automate this static drop down dynamic, so you can play with them. Yeah, you can create your test cases as per your logic, and let me know tomorrow then what you are in doubt or what you stuck somewhere else, or if you are in the blocker and all. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this class and got something new from me. Okay, so guys, we'll meet tomorrow then at the same time. Okay, okay then, bye bye, take care.